Now, in this lecture, we will continue our another most important part of partition value. Okay. In last some previous lecture, we have already studied what is meant by partition value. Then continue there are three types of partition value. First is quartile. What is meant quartile? Quartile means which divided the data into a 4 equal parts. Okay. Then continue it is also denoted as A, Q, R. Okay. Then next continue the second types of partition value, that is the decile. Okay. Decile means it divided the whole set of observation into a 10 equal parts and it denoted as A, D, J. Okay. And then third part of the partition value is the percentiles. Okay. Percentiles also known in Marathi Shatamam. Percentile is known as a Marathi Shatamam. Okay. Now listen carefully. In last some previous lecture, how to calculate the quartile, how to calculate the decile, they are discussed and studied in details. Okay, how to calculate quartile and how to calculate decile for using the individual series, discrete series and the continuous series. Now same as in this lecture, we will continue we are going to study the what is mean by percentile. What is mean by percentile, and then discuss then studies the calculation of percentile, for using the individual series, discrete series and the continuous series. Okay. Now listen carefully. What is mean by percentile? What is mean by percentile? Percentile means which divided the whole set of observation. Percentile means which divided the whole set of observation into a 100 equal part. Into a 100 equal part. It's known as the which divided the whole set of observation. Means divided the data. Divided the raw data into a 100 equal part is known as the percentile. Is known as the percentile. It denoted as a. It denoted as a PK. It denoted as a PK. It means a percentiles. K means K is the denominator. K is denominator and it shows the 1 to up to 99 point. Up to 99 point. Means there are in a percentile there are 99 point. There are 99 point. That is the percentile number 1, percentile number 2 and up to percentile number 99. Okay. Means when data arranged in ascending and descending order. When data arranged in ascending descending order, it denoted as a P1 to P99 point. It denoted as a P1 to P99 point. Okay, now we will discuss here meaning of percentile. Here meaning of percentile. Studies the meaning of percentile. It is very simple meaning of percentile. Meaning of percentile, it is very simple. When data divided into a 100 equal part is known as the percentiles. Okay. Now then studies the another important point related to the percentile. Calculation of percentile. Calculation of percentiles. Calculation of percentiles for given individual series, discrete series and the continuous series. Okay. Calculation of percentile. We are studying into a 3 method. We are studying through 3 methods. First is individual series, second is discrete series and third is the continuous series. Continuous series means data, and discrete series means ungroup data. Okay. Then now individual series. First of all, start the first types individual series. Individual series, in this use this formula. In this series use this formula, and this formula also used in discrete series. This formula also used in discrete series, means it is the common formula. It is the common formula to explain the individual series and the discrete data. To explain through this formula, explain and calculate the individual data and the discrete data. Okay. Okay. Then here pk is equal to size of k into bracket n plus 1 divided it by 100 observation. Divided it by 100 observation. 100 means here denominator is the 100 because of percentile. Divided the data into a 100 parts. Divided data into a 100 parts, so that here 100. Okay, divided by 100. Then this formula used for calculation of individual series and calculation for discrete series. Okay. Now first one by one we will discuss the example related to the individual series and example related to the discrete series. In this lecture we are going to study how to calculate the percentile for individual series, for use of individual series, and how to calculate the percentile for use of discrete series. Okay. Now I will explain this ungroup data, means this individual series, use of suitable example. Suppose of example number 1. First of all, we are going to calculate the individual series and then discrete data. Okay. Now in this here write down the example number 1. In this example, suppose find out P40 from the given data. In this example, find out the P40. Okay. First of all, 10, 15, then 8, 16, 19, 11, 12, 14 and 9. Okay. It is the raw data. First of all, arrange these data. The first step of calculation of P40. Arrange these data in ascending order. Okay. In this series, lower number is 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, then 14, 15, 16 and 19. Okay. Listen carefully, pay attention here. After that, we are going to count the total number of observations. After that, count the total number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This total number of observation is equal to 9. Total number of observation is equal to 9. Then use this formula and calculate the P40. Calculation of P40. Use this formula. P K, replace the K by 40. Means here write down the P equal to size of k means 40 into bracket n means total number of observation. N means total number of observation. And in this example, total number of observation is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 divided by 100. 9 plus 1 divided by 100 observation. Then calculate this formula. Okay. Again, size of P40 is equal to size of 40 into bracket 9 plus 1, 10 divided 100 observation. 10 divided 100 observation. Then next is the P40 is equal to size of 40 multiplied 10. 40 multiplied 10 divided 100 observation. 100 observation. Okay. Then next thing is P40 is equal to size of 40 multiplied 100. 40 multiplied 100 is equal to the answer of 40 multiplied 10. 40 multiplied 10 is equal to 400 divided by 100 observation. 100 observation. Then calculate this summation. Size of 40 divided 100. The answer of 40 divided by 100 is equal to 4. Is equal to 4 observation. Is equal to 4 observation. And fourth observation in this example, in this series, fourth observation is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth observation is equal to 11. Fourth observation is equal to 11. And so that here, therefore, P40, size of fourth observation is equal to 11. And so that here P40 is equal to 11. P40 is equal to 11. It is the we get the final answer. We get the final answer of P40 is equal to 11. Okay, understood, student? This example related to the individual series. This example related to the individual series. How to calculate the percentile for use the individual series? I will explain this example. For using this formula. Okay. Now then, next I will explain another example to understand the how to calculate percentile for individual series. How to calculate percentile for individual series. Okay, listen carefully. Next, discuss the example number 2. Then discuss the example number 2. Find out the calculate the find out P85 from the given data. First of all, write down here data 79, 82, then 36, then 38, 51, 63, 64, then next is 70, 68, and last is 63. Okay, listen carefully. Find out the P85 from using this individual series. Here this is the raw data. First step of this example, first step of solution to calculate the percentile for using individual series, to arrange this data in a ascending order. Okay, first of all arrange data arrange the data in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay. First of all, smaller number in this series is equal to 36. 36. Then 38. Then 51. Then 63. Listen carefully. 51. 72. Here 72. 63. 64. Then next is 68. 70. Then next is 72. 79. 79. And last is 82. Last is 82. Then count the total number of observation. The step is count the total number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means n is equal to 10. N means total number of observation is equal to 10. And then I apply this formula to calculate the P85. Then apply this formula to calculate the P85. Okay. P85 is equal to P85 means replace the K by 85. Replace the K denominator by 85. P85 is equal to size of 85 into bracket and number of total observation is equal to 10. Put this value in a formula. 10 plus 1 divided by 100 observation. 100 observation. Okay. Then next is P85 is equal to size of 85. 10 plus 1 11 divided 100 observation. 11 divided by the 100 observation. Then next step is the 11 upon 100 observation. P85 is equal to size of 85. The answer of, listen carefully, the answer of 11 divided by 100 is equal to 0.11. 0.11. And so that we have 0.11 observation. 0.11 observation. Then next step is P85 is equal to size of P85 multiplied 0.11. 85 multiplied 0.85 and its value is P85 is equal to size of, answer of 85 multiplied 0.11 is equal to most important answer is equal to 9.35. 9.35. And so that here size of 9.35th observation. 35th observation. Okay. This is the fraction number. This is the fraction. How to calculate the fraction number means how to separate 9.35. It is discuss the next step. P85, size of means size of 9. 9 means ninth observation in this series. Ninth observation in this series is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth observation in this series 79. Ninth observation in this series is equal to 79 plus 9.35 separate means ninth observation plus 0.35. Separate it 0.35 means ninth observation in this series 79 plus 0.35 and then 10th observation minus 9th observation. 10th observation minus 9th observation. Here student 0.35 separate this step 9th observation for 0.35 into bracket 10th observation minus 9th observation minus 9th observation. Then put this value for in a example. Size of P85 is equal to size of 79 plus 0.35. 10th observation in this series is equal to 82 minus 9th observation in this series 79. In this series 79. Okay. Next step of this example, size of 79 plus 0.35 into bracket 82 minus 79. 82 minus 79 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. And so that here next step is equal to P85 equal to size of 79 plus size of 79 plus 0.35 multiplier 3 0.35 multiplier 3. The answer of 0.35 multiplier 3 is equal to 1.05. 1.05 and put this value in this example 1.05 and so that therefore P85 is equal to 79 plus 1.05. It means therefore P85 79 plus 1.05 is equal to 80.05 is equal to 80.05. We get the final answer of P85. We get the final answer of P85. P85 is equal to 80.05. 80.05. Okay. It is the second example of percentile for using the individual series. It is the second example of when the data means these data are related to the total number of observation are even number means total number is the even number and so that follow this second step to calculate the P85. Follow this second step and some odd number not expected to follow this step. Okay. Now then continue with the another important types to calculate the percentile. To calculate the percentile for discrete data. For discrete data. We are going to study the another important types Another important times discrete data. Discrete data, discrete series. Okay. Now calculate the discrete data. How to calculate the discrete data? It is the most important point. Okay. Discrete data also known as the ungrouped data. Discrete data is also known as the ungrouped data. In this series, use this formula Pk is equal to formula of discrete series. Formula of discrete series. Pk is equal to size of k into bracket n plus 1 divided 100 observation. 100 observation. Okay. This formula used for calculate the discrete series. Okay. Now I will explain the ungrouped data concept. Means discrete data concept by using this suitable example and then calculate it. Okay. Example number 1. Example number 1. First of all, write down the discrete data. In a first column, find out the P80, P20 and P60. Find out P20 and P60 from the following data. From the following data, here write down the height of student in centimeter, in inch, and in a first column, in second column, number of person. Okay, write down here the discrete data. First 58, 59, then 60, 61, 62, 63, and next one is the 64. Okay. The class of 58, frequency of this class is 4. Then next 5, 6, 10, 12, and 2, 1. It is the discrete series. This series show the discrete series. With this data show the discrete series. Okay. Then first of all, write data in vertical order. Solution of this example. First of all, arrange data in ascending order. Arrange data in ascending order and calculate the already we do this data in ascending order and calculate the cumulative frequency. It is the first step. Calculate the cumulative frequency. Okay, in a first column, height. In second column, number of person. Number of persons means into bracket frequency of the class. And then third column, calculate the cumulative frequency. Write down here the class 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and last one is the 64. Then write the frequency of this class 4, 5, 6, 10. Next one is 12, 2, and last one is the 11. And then calculate the cumulative frequency of the given data. Okay. First number of the frequency write down as it is. First number of the frequency means it is the 4, write down as it is 4. And then add the another next frequency in this. Then add the next frequency in this means 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. Then next add this frequency. 25 plus 12 is equal to 37. Is equal to 37. Next one is 37 plus 2, 39, and last number 39 plus 1 is equal to 40. And then calculate the number of frequency. Then count this frequency. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 12 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to n. Means total number of observation is equal to n, means total number of observation is equal to 40. Is the same as the last cumulative frequency. Okay, now then calculate the P20. Then calculate the P20. P20 is equal to P20. Can find out the P20 from the given data. First of all, write the formula as it is. Write this formula as it is, and then calculate the P20. First of all, write the P. K is equal to size of K into n plus into bracket n plus 1 divided 100 observation. Divided 100 observation. Okay, replace the 20. The K is a denominator and it replaced by the 20. Okay, 20 is equal to size of 20 into bracket. Total number of observation is equal to 40. 40 plus 1 divided 100 observation. 100 observation. Next step is P20 is equal to size of 20 into bracket 40 plus 1 41 divided 100 observation. Divided 100 observation. Then next size of, listen carefully, size of 20 multiply 41 into bracket 20 multiply 41 divided by 100 observation. Then next step is P20 is equal to size of, listen carefully student, then calculate the P60. It is your homework. Okay, P20 is equal to size of answer of the 20 multiply 41 is equal to 820. So that here 820 divided it by 100 observation. Divided it by 100 observation. P20 is equal to is very important concept to calculate the size of 820 divided by the 100. Its answer is 8.2 observation. 8.2 observation, and 8.2 observation in the series. It is lies in a cumulative frequency 9. It means say P20 is equal to size of 8.2 observation lies in cumulative frequency 9. Lies in cumulative frequency 9, and corresponding the class of cumulative frequency 9 is equal to 59. Is equal to 59, and so here P20 is equal to 59. We get the last answer of P20. We get the last answer of P20 is equal to 59. Same as it is. Calculate the P60. It is your homework. Okay, student. Now in this lecture we are going to study the what is mean by percentile and how to calculate the percentile by using the individual series and discrete series. In next lecture, we will continue the next part of this point. Thank you.